told you guys that while I'm in Jamaica, I'm going to show you what I drink, what I eat down here. So here we go. Really, really good.
Please stand clear of the doors. Doors are closing.
Let's do this.
First, saved message.
Canadian weather makes absolutely no sense. I mean, it's actually warm right now. It was just freezing the other day when I got off the plane. Instead of going to a restaurant and all of that, something about buying the jerk chicken off of the street, I don't know if it's just the fact that I'm helping a local guy or it actually tastes better or whatever the reason, but that's why I'm buying it. It's just like when you're in Toronto or New York and you're buying hot dogs off of the street from these street vendors. It's kind of the same thing in Jamaica. So that explains why I was buying this stuff from a guy off the street as opposed to sitting down in a restaurant. Thank you. Everywhere I go overseas, I see the word Jamaican patties written on every patty box. So today, now that I'm in Jamaica, I'm gonna go to, the top 2 patty places, Juicy Beef and Tasties. I hear a lot of stories about Jamaican police, so I was walking and I saw a couple of them. Here we are at the Juicy Beef patties. Here it is. This place is usually filled with school children buying patties because they're relatively cheap. $70 for one patty, but that's like $1 in Canadian currency, or $1 US. Can I have one beef patty? Thank you. Okay, we're heading over to Tasty Patty right now. Here it is. And I'm gonna buy one of these patties just so I can show you guys as well. Okay, we're at Tasty Patties right now. You guys might notice that the currency is really, really high. Can I have $100 worth?
You need the small one or the big ones?
Pardon? The smaller ones. I'll show you guys what it looks like later on. But right now it looks like this. We're almost done here. I'm sitting here waiting for my sister to come back. I'm sitting here with my brother, Damien. And my sister went up the road up there. Okay, the first thing that I purchased was the pepper shrimp. So this is what it looks like. And what you're supposed to do with it is like that. And it's really hot. I think they boiled it in pepper or something. You can see some pepper in the bag. If you ignore what you're eating, it tastes good. But if you think about all the tentacles and all of that, it tastes gross. The second thing I'm going to show you guys is the Jamaican patties. This patty is from Juicy Beef, which is the largest patty company in Jamaica. It looks like this. It's really, really crispy. Now, look at it. So this is the difference between the patties that we usually buy in Canada and the US and a real Jamaican patty. This is what they're trying to imitate the whole time. It's really crispy. There's a lot of meat inside. This is the patty that I bought from Tasty Patty, which is the second largest patty company in Jamaica. You can tell it's a lot less flaky. It's a lot less flaky. It still tastes good, but not as good as the Juicy Beef patty that I just tried a while ago. And I'm just gonna throw away the tentacles. These are some typical Jamaican drinks. Orange pineapple, regular pineapple. Say hi, Wati.
Hi.
Say hi, Tata.
Say hi, already. So I want hard life.
Apparently he's living the hard life. I'll talk to you guys later. One more shot of Mandeville town. This is where I am. One of the biggest towns close to where I live in Manchester. You'll see the KFC down there, so it's not that unfamiliar. The bigger it looks, the worse it is. Not anyone can eat this and enjoy it. As you can see, it looks exactly like it would if it just came out of the ocean. There's nothing done to it. And oh,
when you boil it, turn red.
oh, this used to be black, and then it's boiled and it turns red. But other than that, the body looks the same as it was when it was swimming and alive. Probably still has feces inside of it and everything like that. Anyways, I'll talk to you guys later. Alright guys, I'm about to show you something that I know you've never seen before, and that's exactly how you kill a chicken. Don't ask me what she's gonna do with the knife. Let me stop it right here. I don't know what YouTube will allow, but there's a knife, there's a chicken neck. You can pretty much guess what happens next. So I just watched 2 chickens go from chicken to dinner in like 20 minutes. And we're actually gonna eat it. Are you guys hungry? So leave a comment down below. Tell me what are your favorite kinds of foods. Mine are Japanese, Chinese, and Jamaican. I'll talk to you guys soon. Peace.